Situation analysis. What is it? A technique in which infinite calculations are made to obtain possible outcomes and probability of a given action. So we want this output. So we do all the calculation, all multiple permutation and combination to arrive the data. That is situation analysis. The steps involves in situation simulation of analysis for modeling the project. It shows a relationship of net present value with the parameters and exogenous variables. So we will make the project actual project, and what will be the input, what will be the output, what kind of loss can be incurred, what is the direct cost, what is the indirect cost, what is the variable cost, everything will be fixed into, and we will derive into the solution. And that is the first point, specific value of parameters and probability distribution to exogenous variables. So we know this specific matter is mandatory, this probability will be happening to arrive this. Select the value of random from probability distribution for each of the exogenous variable. Sometimes we can't able to probably found it. So that time we may use a random variable, random probability distribution to arrive at the value. Determine NPV from random generated value for exogenous variable. Net present value is not able to form. We can't derive because due to the lack of rate of return. Due to that, we may use a random number. I repeat the step 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So random probability and random NPV to get a large number of simulated NPV. So different variable will be done continuously to get the lot number of NPV. Plot the probability distribution of NPV and compute the mean and standard deviation of return. So through this, we will plot it and we will get into a value which is most favorable to us. That is most probability that suits our industry. So this is the situation analysis procedure.